A glitching Apple CarPlay connection is usually caused by corrupted communication between your iPhone and the car's infotainment unit. To fix a frozen or disconnecting CarPlay screen, you must clear this digital handshake by hard resetting the system and unpairing the device. Start by eliminating physical hardware issues inside your vehicle. Inspect your charging cable for crimps or exposed wires, as standard charging cords often fail at data transfer. Always use an Apple-certified Lightning or USB-C cable and clean out any lint from your phone port. If the cable is fine, force a soft reboot of your vehicle's infotainment system. Leave the engine running in park and locate the main power or volume button. Press and hold this knob or button for about 15 seconds until the screen goes completely black. Once the system reboots and the startup logo appears, you need to delete the old connection data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, navigate to General, and tap on CarPlay. Select your vehicle from the list and tap Forget this car to remove the profile. Next, go into your car's main display screen and open the Connected Devices or Bluetooth menu. Highlight your iPhone using the touchscreen, select the Options menu, and delete the phone from the system memory. This completely wipes the corrupted connection history from both devices. Finally, plug your iPhone back into the primary data USB port. Accept all pairing prompts on both your phone screen and the car display. Give the system 20 seconds to process the new handshake, and your Apple CarPlay will function perfectly without expensive dealership programming.